Alright, so hi everyone, welcome back to Rohan Developers. This is Rohan Ramprasad, and again to you are watching something very innovational, very innovative. And today we have an amazing update regarding the OpenAI Student Collective. So if you have filled the form for the OpenAI Student Collective and didn't receive any email yet, so this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that if you have any query in your brain or in your head, it will get cleared because of my understanding which I did today. So let me give you a small story time what happened today. I was in my college giving my class assessment exams are currently going on, so I was just preparing for that, and suddenly I saw on LinkedIn, not on LinkedIn actually, first I got the message on YouTube comment section where a student who is also my subscriber messaged me that the people, like some students have got this OpenAI Student Collective confirmation mail, like they have got the second round mail. Like second round, if you don't know, is about interview round. So the first round which you filled all the basic details and all the stuffs, and the second round is for the interview round. The official shortlisting will be done over there after you get shortlisted from the round one. So yeah, coming to my point is that some students have got email regarding the confirmation mail that they have been shortlisted and they have been indulged into the second round. So I thought, all right, so I didn't got any update, but let me ask it more in more detail. So I connected that guy and he shared, I told him to share all the proofs and all the posts which are done on the LinkedIn sites, to share me on my DM on LinkedIn. You can share, and he shared me a couple of things. So it was basically related to around not India but USA and Canada. That's right. So the US, like OpenAI Student Collective is all over the world, right? They are doing this OpenAI Student Collective ChatGPT internship or the campus lead program all over the world. So not just India. So for the students in America and Canada, they have got the confirmation mail, and it's actually true that they have got the confirmation mail for this OpenAI Student Collective that they have been selected and can proceed for round 2, that is the interview round. So let me just clear a basic concept, like the people or the students, if I would specify it, students who are in USA and Canada are, if you don't know, OpenAI main headquarters is in USA, California only, right? If I'm not wrong, I hope so I'm not wrong. So it's in America only. So that's very obvious that they will first provide all the emails to their country first, right? Like the OpenAI main headquarters, they will be providing Americas and neighboring countries the confirmation mail, and India comes like very much, they might be in the process, you never know. So that means they have started shortlisting, and India is currently still lacking because maybe due to their issue, or they have been doing in, we'd never know what's their mind or what's their process going on. So if you are watching this from India, that means you have not yet got. If you have got, just comment down below and I will try to connect with you, but still I have not got any update that in India everyone has got, or any single person has got the confirmation mail. Only the students of America, California and Canada sites, they have got the confirmation mail for the interview round. This is because the headquarters of OpenAI is in America only, right? So that's obvious that they will be getting the interview round email first only, because you can say as priority wise, you can say. But that doesn't mean that we have been rejected, we have been not shortlisted. Like there was a misconception going on around in the LinkedIn or the Discord sites that the people who have not got, America and Canada people have, students have got, but some students, majority of the students have not got. That means you are not shortlisted, you can try, better luck next time and all the sympathy stuffs. But no, it's not true. So don't believe, just stay tuned till the last. What you can do, I tell you a very simple thing. Just go to LinkedIn, maybe after consecutively 1 or 2 days prior, you can just go, like every day after 2 days, you just go on LinkedIn and just search OpenAI Student Collective 2026. And if genuinely someone from your, I mean in India has got the confirmation mail, they will surely 120% I would say, or 200% you can take that they will surely post it on LinkedIn. That's for sure. even if me or you, anybody of us, if getting the email, then we will surely put it on LinkedIn that we have officially been selected and has been selected for the as a 2026 cohort for OpenAI Student Collective. And who will miss this chance to post this on LinkedIn? Everybody wants to post, but they don't get. If they get, they will definitely. So every after 2 days, हर 2 दिन बाद तुम जाके LinkedIn पे search करो OpenAI Student Collective 2026, and if someone has been genuinely shortlisted for the interview run, they would have posted it. And you can just subscribe to my channel also. I will be also making a video if as soon as I get the updates. I have also filled the form, you have also filled the form, we all have filled the form. And the main thing which I told in my previous video also, have patience. Having patience will lead you from here to here. You might be demotivated right now, but you never know how you might be selected or shortlisted, or even go in the round 3, 4, and just you will be getting one day surely the welcome mail that congratulations, you have been selected as the 2026 cohort for OpenAI Student Collective. You will be leading this, that, all the stuffs which you feel great to hear in your ears. Okay, not eyes. All right. So that was the update which I wanted to give. And let me think if I'm missing something else also. So as I told, let me just recall. The first thing is it's only released for the USA and Canada students. So if some of the students from USA or Canada or California or neighboring countries or states are watching this video, just do comment down that you have got this confirmation mail or not, so we can also be assured that this information is genuine. And the students who have not been shortlisted yet, I mean not got the confirmation mail yet for the round 2, just wait. If you have been shortlisted, rejected, still waiting, all things will be covered. And let me tell you, if you have filled the form correctly, you have followed all the rules which I told earlier, then there's no chance you will be rejected. So if you have not seen my previous video regarding the rules, that what are the chances of you getting rejected because of 12 reasons or the 12 rules, just make sure you see it. And that's all I would like to say regarding the OpenAI Student Collective. And yeah, that's all. So this is Rohan Ramprasad. I have been a Google Student Ambassador and currently still going further and making different types of contents. So if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And this is Rohan Ramprasad signing off. See you next time.